Hash crack. Cryptography challenge. A company stored a secret message on a server which got breached due to the admin using weakly hash passwords. Can you gain access to the secrets stored within the server? So for the hash crack challenge, what we did was we identified the problem. The server sent consecutive weak hashes, MD5, SHA-1, SHA-256 back to back, and times out if you take too long to reply manually. We built an automation script, and what I'll do is I'm going to link that script to my GitHub, which you can see in the YouTube description. And instead of explaining it in this capture the flag tutorial, I'm going to make a theory video on how to write the script for yourself and modify it. We also crack the hashes locally and capture the flag. But just for your reference, if you are going to use the script that I've made, make sure to download PWN tools using this bash command below. You need the script to rely on industry standard rocku.text password dictionary, so you can also download it using this word list bash script as well. So I hope you enjoyed this CTF tutorial. Make sure to check out the GitHub, and I will see you next week for more capture the flag walkthroughs.